It's learning time.
It's learning time. Look.
Are you ready? All right. Let's
Come
get
here.
started.
Come here. Come here. I'll tell you, come here. You see this, guys? It's a snow.
Okay, it says Kiara's Day.
48.
Okay. Okay, we're on lesson number 49 for math. So you're going to count to 49 for me, okay?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Go ahead.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
40.
40, 41,
Mm-hmm.
42,
Mm-hmm.
43, 44,
Mm-hmm.
45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
9. Yay. Okay, what is your word?
Bang.
Dang. All right. Let's read the story.
It sucks.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
James.
James has been to the
Meal.
mill. The day is from,
Mm-hmm.
and he let his horse
Mm-hmm. Stand.
in the
Shade.
shade. A girl asked him to show
That's right.
to the way to the town. He for her the way.
He what? What's that word?
Her
Before her.
before her
Mm-hmm. What's that word?
for
Tails.
tells her the way in down.
Then
Then
drives.
drive on.
Okay.
Then drive on.
Okay, we're doing letter K for your writing. So show me letter K.
Wait a minute.
Where's letter K?
P.
All right, trace the letter K. Where's big K, capital K? All right.
No. It's dark.
And now?
Small.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
All right, just do all the rest of them.
That's why you smile.
Okay, so today we're going to do our sign language alphabet. All right, do A.
A, B, C, D, E. Hey, the F. L, G,
Mm-hmm.
H,
You got to hold your hand sideways when you do H, not straight up.
H, I, J, K, L, M, O,
And.
N,
Mm-hmm.
M, N,
Mm-hmm.
O, P,
Mm-hmm.
P,
Mm-hmm.
Q,
Mm-hmm.
R,
S.
S,
T.
T.
U.
E. I don't know this language.
U.
U.
V. No.
U.
V.
V.
W.
W.
X.
S.
Y. Y.
Y.
Z.
Z.
Okay, we haven't done those in a long. Wow.